Welcome back. We're doing a quick little thing today. So today is the unboxing yana. So yeah, I've been having rough times like I've been saying, So yeah, my friends, I could say don't feel through the airwaves and the telepathy. So from the people who like yo Gogo, where you been? To those ones on some Gogo, what is your nearest pub? About home pub in Newtown. So so I'm expecting another gift. So but the one thing that the one product is a product that I bought. So a product review. So welcome everybody in all your fraternity. So I've already opened this just to be sure which one was the gift, which one was the one that I bought, without checking the tracking number and stuff. So this comes all the way from the Eastern Cape, and it's called Earthy Arty Organic Solutions for Women. So I was privileged enough to be one of, not even a guinea pig, like when this queen was starting the product with another black woman in it, Amanda, recirculating the rand. So actually maybe I should make this on a separate one. I want to remit the product review before we have a so they left, a couple, lovely royal couple, unplugged from Gauteng. So I was unplugging proper from the system, but they literally like working the land, banale landy, people, girls with trucks. I like girls with trucks too. But anyway, so I was one of the first few people in Bakagabo. So this is me doing a refill because I really enjoyed that product. So it's Earthy Arty Organic Solutions. It's at Earthy Arty on all socials, on Facebook, on Instagram, and on WhatsApp. I will share the number or description box. All right, so this is my product. So it's an intimate product. Those who went to Sutla have been with me. Those who went with me, they know what I mean when I say it's a wet oil. So it's an intimate oil. You don't put it in there. So how she advertised it to me, Bailey, because I'm very passionate about circulating the rand, and trying to get word out there, and also call out fellow business people for now we need to be professional, because this thing of just supporting black because we're supporting black anyway. So I also like calling upon black businesses as well for being professional. Oh, it's nicely bubble wrapped. Oh, it's lovely. It's got new prints. So this is Earthy Arty, my intimate scents, all day intimate freshness. So this is the new packaging. Initial packaging, but was more black than green, the bottling. So this is wet oil. And those who also had a phase of exploring Africa, not within the borders of South Africa, I think you should know what guat is. So this, it keeps you fresh all day. When you go to the bathroom, that lovely scent. Eba this. So you can, I'm going to a party soon. Miss 063, pardon. Hello, Khalingi. I'm coming. So let us quickly do, so you can also just put drops on like a panty liner if you're a panty liner girl, or not, because I'm not a panty liner girl, then I would after bath time and I'm on the new salon, and then it keeps you fresh all day. You can literally go from work to a date, if it's that special date. So this is Earthy Arty. I will share her contact, but it's amazing. Balancer pH as well. You can use it also for yoni steaming, so you just put drops. You can put it in your water as well. So go Dojo podcast. So my 063 loves that podcast. So today has done friends, we are all going there, and this is lovely products. Please do try it out. It's not, I know the doctors are gonna be on some, so you don't shove anything in. It is, it's an herbal product, so no alcohol, 100% natural, no preservatives, paraben free, aluminium free as well. Okay, so this is Earthy Arty, and yeah, intimate scent oil. So I'm gonna do the opening because it's the opening go a separate episode because we need to go now. I'm gonna add happy today. Dua heteru. I am living the season of heteru. Dua heteru. Let's go do this party. Yeah. Greetings over the diaspora for those that do not speak the languages that we speak. Welcome back, everybody. Welcome back to Wazagogo Gang, Makozi Gang, Tarot Card Gang, Queer and Conscious, Black Queer and Conscious, Knowledge Seekers, Knowledge Collectors, Woke Gang, Anti-Woke, I Don't Wanna Be Woke, the Perpetual Students, those who are willing to learn. Thank you so much. For those who are returning and those who are new here, thank you so much for gracing our page or our space here with your presence, and hope it will be something enjoyable for you. And if you're new and it's content that you resonate with, please do like, please do subscribe, please do comment, please do share, please do little clips or whatever it is. So yeah, before we get into today's shindig, I want to finish. So Saturday I tried doing an unboxing, and then yeah, my friends showed up. Yeah, so so yeah, so I just want to give shout out to this product that I was trying to review. I'll probably like link the 2 videos, but yes, I got this. I collected my mail. I collected my mail, my couriers. We call them couriers. Yes, on Saturday, and this is a product that's called Earthy Arty, my intimate scent. So this is, those who are in res with me, they know what I mean when I say it's gwat oil. So this is gwat oil. So it's an intimate oil, keeps you fresh all day. So it's made by Earthy Arty. I'm going to share her details. I'm going to make this, link it to the episode I started on Saturday, and then link it to the review. But I just wanted to give shout out to this product, so you can literally go an entire day, like you're going to smell fresh the entire day. And I know medical doctors, no, it's not in session, but you can literally steam with this. It's all natural. It is all, yeah, there is a warning as well. Do not insert into the vag canal. So yeah, so it's, yeah, and then the little slogan there, it all day intimate freshness. So you can literally go from like slavery, plantain to a date. Yeah, if you are using this and you have the particulars that some of us have. Yeah, the thing that we're going to talk about in today's episode actually. So yeah, so this is an intimate oil by this awesome goddess, Gazi. But yes, I will share their contact. So please do support Black. It's all natural, preservative free. I read, yes, no preservatives, paraben free, aluminium free. So please get yourself this, try it out. I loved it. Yeah, especially because, yeah, I'm not Pentiliner gang per se, but I still have the freshness all day. And then I wanted to unwrap or unbox. I say boxes, so I will unwrap, unplastic this gift I had from my friend, which is also gonna tie into today's episode. But I'm gonna make this a separate episode. So I get today's episode, yeah, you better check out PPK because I'm gonna be doing an outfit. So a friend of mine, so I've been experiencing a lot of great vibes and gratitude. That's been there. If you hear the dustbin, so gratitude vibes and just people showing me appreciation. I think Nababona. Oh, friends, this is from me, Taki. Oh wow, this is amazing. Oh, she got me a little. Oh, thank you so much. This is for my friend Miteki. Oh, Batung Mata. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. I'm so excited. Oh, my rainbow collection keeps growing. Thank you so much, my friend. So this is, I wanted a genuine expression. Oh, that's why I can't record that. Oh my god, thank you so much. Yo, Batumke, yo, Mata. Thank you so much. Coming all the way from Lepalale. But this time I met how did I meet her? Mara, like during, like early days of my reawakening, and yeah, so we met through like the tussle that I do. So we met through that, but there's always been that connection, and all the spiritual tours of Gogo gigs, and yeah, we've been friends ever since. But I knew her sister before that, and yeah, she just happened to be yeah, part of the puzzle that I need, I guess, for me go like so thank you so much, my friend. Thank you, Gogi. Thank you. I'm so excited. I wish I had these just before Pride, but so much. And that was me unboxing the 2 things that I got, but it's gonna tie into a little bit of the lesson today. So today is Tuesday. We do spirituality on Tuesdays, even though I'm gonna post the product review as well as my gift on a separate episode on a different day. All right, let us get into today's episode. Let's wait for the dustbins actually. So these 2 episodes were pre-recorded. We've already done this episode. Thank you so much for watching.